Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into an important topic that every car owner should be aware of: the symptoms of a bad ignition coil. Ignition coils play a crucial role in your vehicle's ignition system, and when they go bad, your car can experience a range of issues. Let's jump right in and take a closer look. First off, what exactly is an ignition coil? The ignition coil is a transformer that converts the battery's low voltage to the thousands of volts needed to create an electric spark in the spark plugs. This spark ignites the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders, enabling the car to run smoothly. Now, let's talk about the symptoms of a bad ignition coil. 1. Engine misfires. If your engine is misfiring, it means that one or more of the engine cylinders are not firing properly. This can cause a rough idle, poor acceleration, and even stalling. You might feel a jerking motion when you accelerate, and in severe cases, the car might not start at all. 2. Check engine light. A malfunctioning ignition coil can trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. If you have OBD scanner can look there. For example, P0351 is for cylinder 1, P0352 is for cylinder 2, and so on. A malfunction in any of these can point to a problem with the corresponding ignition coil. T0301 means a misfire in cylinder 1, P0302 in cylinder 2, and so on. Again, a faulty ignition coil could be the reason behind these misfires. Even if there is no OBD to scanner, no problem, you will experience the next symptoms: less fuel efficiency. When an ignition coil is failing, the engine might not be running as efficiently as it should. This can lead to increased fuel consumption, meaning you'll find yourself at the gas station more often than usual. 4. Backfiring. A bad ignition coil can cause unburned fuel to pass through the exhaust system, resulting in backfiring. This is not only a loud and unpleasant experience but can also damage your exhaust system over time. 5. Hard starts. If you're having trouble starting your car, especially in cold weather, a faulty ignition coil might be to blame. The coil's inability to provide a strong enough spark can make it difficult for the engine to start. So, there you have it. 5 common symptoms of a bad ignition coil. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's a good idea to get your vehicle checked by a professional mechanic. Replacing a faulty ignition coil early can save you from more expensive repairs down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, drive safe and keep your car in top shape.